Well, this event was inspired by the TV reality show called Chop, still taking the idea of mystery ingredients. That piece was definitely one of the things I wanted to be creative with. Food really shapes our lives and our identities. As we all eat every day, I think cooking has become kind of like my source of remembering who I am and who I can be, being creative with ingredients, trying out different dishes. I also think that food brings lots of people together. Having more international students become visible, um, even though we are not visibly and physically on campus. So I wanted to use this opportunity to highlight their presence, but also to have faculty and staff involved to get to know the international students. I kind of did a spin-off of a sushi roll. So sushi, as many of you know, is from Japan. I myself am Korean American, and so there's something similar to sushi in Korean culture called kimbap. So I kind of did a sushi kimbap roll, kind of bringing the two cultures, backgrounds together. So a typical dinner at our house is fairly quick, which is why I like the Chopped TV series because they really give you only 30 minutes to prepare a meal. And that's the real reality of our kitchen at home, with me, with a little one. He's not quite little, but he's 6, but we eat really early at 5 or 5:30. So I really don't have too much time to prepare, as so I'm pretty quick around the kitchen. It's just simple food, sometimes noodles, sometimes a soup, but just keeping it to really one protein, one carb, one vegetable, and that's about it. So this Chopped series or TV show is really my kitchen every day. And whatever's in the fridge is what we're going to be cooking with, the mystery ingredients.